Think for a moment about happiness. What makes you happy, truly happy? Maybe it's finding a beautiful place where nature surrounds you, or letting loose with the kids and rediscovering the kid inside of you. Or maybe it's as simple as just being in the moment with your family. Whatever happiness means to you, Vita Vacations can help you find it through spectacular vacations. So what is Vita Vacations? Vita Vacations is a luxury destination club that offers you access to amazing vacation experiences at the finest and most exclusive resorts in the world. Here's how it works. First, you become a Vita Vacations member. Then you choose how many weeks you want to vacation each year and what kind of accommodations you prefer. Then it's time to travel. With our network of exchange partners, Vita Vacations is your passport to a world of incredible vacation experiences. But what Vita members enjoy most of all is access to the magnificent world of Vidanta, a collection of resort hotels in 7 destinations along the most coveted beaches in Mexico, where modern luxury meets stunning natural beauty. For over 40 years, Vidanta has expanded these destinations, designing everything for our members' happiness. Endless pools that defy imagination, exquisite restaurants that offer a world tour of gourmet cuisine, world-class performances, luxury spas and state-of-the-art fitness centers, activities to keep the whole family smiling, and a staff that caters to your every need. And after each day of adventure or rest, you'll settle into spacious suites where there's room to spread out, unwind, and rest up for tomorrow's fun. With Vita Vacations, you get more than just incredible experiences and memories. You get a legacy, guaranteeing that vacations become an important part of your family traditions. And you'll pass your membership down, securing a lifetime of happiness for you and your children, and then maybe even their children. Vita Vacations is your door to a world of unforgettable vacation memories. You just have to take the first step. Where will you go first?